Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in because the key is tied to your Microsoft account. Open a browser, go to Account, Microsoft.com, and sign in with the email you used on Windows. Once signed in, make sure your device appears under Devices. This confirms a digital license link. If it does not, check that you used the same account on the PC. Once done, move to Devices to locate the linked Windows 10 license details. Next, you click Devices and pick the specific PC name. This filters to the machine that holds the Windows 10 digital license. You want to inspect the device details where Microsoft shows Windows or digital license verbiage and activation status. That tells you why you may not see a 25-character key. If a key is present for older retail purchases, it may appear here. Otherwise, the account confirms a digital entitlement instead of. Finally, you either copy a visible product key or rely on the digital license linked to your account. If no key is shown, sign into the same account on the Windows 10 machine and use Settings Update and Security Activation to validate activation. If you bought Windows Retail, check order history in the account for a key. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter on the PC. It often reconnects the digital license. If still blocked, contact support with purchase details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.